Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Jewels makeup is probably one of the most versatile and transformative tools in any beauty enthusiast's arsenal, allowing for unparalleled creativity and personalization when it comes to enhancing your features and expressing your unique style through dazzling adornments that catch the light and turn heads. Number 5. iMethod Mermaid Face Jewels, 6 Pcs Multicolored. Get ready to shine like never before. Our iridescent, holographic rhinestone stickers are the perfect way to highlight your look at any music festival, rave, or party. You can feel confident using these gems anywhere on your face, body, or nails. They are made with cosmetic-grade materials and are guaranteed not to irritate your skin. These gems are designed to stay put all night, through sweat and water. They are comfortable to wear for over 8 hours and can even be reused with a little extra glue. Application is a breeze with these self-sticking gems. Simply peel and stick them on, no need for individual rhinestone application. Each set comes individually packaged for your convenience. Let your imagination run wild. Create stunning and unique looks for any occasion, from festivals and carnivals to Halloween and weddings. The possibilities are endless. What we like? These gems offer a stunning iridescent and holographic shine, perfect for making a statement. They are designed to be skin-safe and hypoallergenic, ensuring comfort for extended wear. If you're looking for long-lasting, vibrant sparkle for festivals, raves, or parties, these are an excellent choice. What people say. It has chunky and fine glitter so you can select which one you want to complete your look. It comes with adhesive, which is a plus for me, one less thing I have to worry about. They stayed on my granddaughter even through basketball practice. I had purchased extra adhesion, but it was not needed. These sparkly jewels brought me so much joy. They were easy to apply, the adhesive is very strong, there was no noticeable odor, and lasted all night. Number 4. Nicpro 4125 PCS Self-Adhesive Rhinestone Stickers. Discover a dazzling collection of over 4,125 self-adhesive rhinestone stickers. Available in 25 vibrant colors, these gems are perfect for adding sparkle to any project. From classic clear to bold pinks and blues, express your unique style with a wide spectrum of 25 brilliant colors. Mix and match to create stunning designs for your face, nails, and crafts. Featuring 3 versatile sizes, 3mm, 4mm, and 5mm, these gems are ideal for intricate makeup looks, detailed nail art, and adding dimension to your DIY creations. Enjoy hassle-free crafting with our upgraded self-adhesive backing. Simply peel and stick them securely onto skin, nails, paper, glass, and more without any need for glue. These acrylic gems are safe and gentle on the skin, ensuring a comfortable experience for all your makeup and crafting endeavors. They stick firmly yet remove cleanly without leaving residue. Elevate your greeting cards, gift wrapping, phone cases, and party decorations. They are perfect for birthdays, weddings, festivals, and any occasion that calls for a touch of sparkle. What we like? With over 4,000 rhinestones in 25 vibrant colors and 3 different sizes, this pack offers incredible value and versatility. The self-adhesive backing makes them easy to use on skin, nails, or any craft project without mess. If you need a wide array of colors and sizes for detailed makeup, extensive crafting, or multiple events, this is the pack for you. What people say. With over 4,000 pieces, there's a huge variety of sizes and colors, making them perfect for any craft or beauty project. The self-adhesive backing is strong, and they stayed on well throughout the event without peeling or falling off. Great assortment of sizes and colors. Really good adhesive on back. Number 3. GL-Turelifes Mermaid Chunky Glitter Gel. Get ready to shine with our dazzling chunky glitter gel. Its unique formula is packed with stars, moons, and hexagons for an irresistible glow that will make you stand out. No glue needed. This glitter gel is sticky on its own, making it incredibly easy to apply. Just dab it on wherever you want to add a touch of magic. Crafted with cosmetic-grade ingredients, our glitter is safe for your skin and even kid-friendly. Enjoy vibrant color and a long-lasting sparkle without any worries. From festivals and parties to weddings and nights out, this glitter is your go-to for adding a touch of glamour. Use it on your eyes, face, hair, or body for a truly mesmerizing effect. Experience a waterproof, long-lasting sparkle that brightens your look. It dries quickly and applies evenly, ensuring a uniform color and a radiant finish all day or night. Available in 8 stunning colors, this glitter is perfect for gifting or indulging your own glitter addiction. Get ready to elevate your makeup game with this must-have cosmetic. What we like. This chunky glitter gel provides an intense, holographic sparkle with added stars and moons for a unique look. It's a sticky gel formula, meaning no extra glue is required for application, making it incredibly easy to use. If you want a bold, multi-dimensional glitter effect for eyes, face, body, or hair, and prefer a quick, no-fuss application, this is the product to grab. What people say. Goes on smoothly, stays in place, and doesn't feel gritty or irritating on the skin. Perfect for festivals, parties, or adding a little extra glam to any look. This glitter is awesome. It's the perfect combination of being chunky festival glitter without being thick and scratchy. The glue the glitter is in makes it easy to apply and it dries quickly. It's super sparkly, especially in the light. It was also super easy to take off with basic makeup wipes. Used a complete Elsa costume for my daughter for Halloween. Both wife and daughter have sensitive skin and neither had issues. The glitter was easy to apply to both skin and hair, stayed on for 2 hours, and washed off with mild baby soap. Number 2. Mr. Pen 2000 Pcs Rhinestones Kit. Introducing a dazzling collection of 2000 clear rhinestones, perfect for all your creative projects. This set also includes a handy tweezer and a pickup pen to make application a breeze. Crafted from quality glass crystal with multifaceted sides, these gems offer a brilliant sparkle. The included tweezer is made from durable, high-quality stainless steel for precise handling. These round rhinestones are designed to be eye-catching and glittery. They will effortlessly enhance your look, adding an elegant and charming touch to any design. With mixed sizes available, these glass gems are perfect for a wide range of DIY applications. Decorate your nail art, makeup, phone cases, and so much more. The tapered and well-aligned tips of the tweezer allow for firm and easy grasping of each rhinestone. This makes placing gems precisely according to their size incredibly simple. These beautiful gems are not hotfix, meaning they require glue for application, glue not included. This offers you greater flexibility in your crafting endeavors. What we like. These rhinestones are crafted from quality glass crystal with multifaceted sides for maximum sparkle. The package conveniently includes a tweezer and a pickup pen, making precise application much easier. If you prefer the classic look of glass rhinestones and need the tools to apply them precisely for detailed nail art, makeup, or crafts, this set is a great option. What people say. Perfect for nail art. Many different sizes and colors and the glue works great. Love these gems. They are so cute and organized and perfect to complete any look. I used them for a rave I went to. I purchased these gemstones for nails designs and I am very happy with them. There are a large variety of size options depending on the look you're going for. Overall, I am very happy with the product and find the wax pen, for small gems, and tweezers, for larger gems, very helpful for application. Number 1. 1250 PCS Self-Adhesive Rhinestones Makeup Eyes. Get a generous pack of 1250 face and body gems in various styles, sizes, and shapes. With plenty of options, you can create unique looks for any occasion. These gems are beautifully cut and designed to sparkle and shine in multiple colors. They'll add a dazzling touch, making you look even more captivating. Applying them is a breeze. Just clean your skin, peel off the gems, and stick them on. For extra hold, a little eyelash glue works wonders. Adorn your eyes, face, body, or nails with these versatile stickers. They're perfect for festivals, parties, or even decorating accessories like phones and bags. These gems are designed for multiple uses and are safe to wear. Simply reapply them to the backing sheet and use eyelash glue for continued sparkle. What we like. This set offers a generous quantity of face and body gems in various sizes and shapes, designed to create distinctive patterns. They are self-adhesive for easy application and can be reused by reapplying cosmetic glue. If you're looking for a variety of gem options to customize your look for raves, festivals, or parties and want the flexibility to reuse them, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The quality and variety of color was excellent. Love that they have multiple colors and sizes. Each design is already glued together, so no need to assemble it onto the face, little piece at a time, like other products. The designs are just like in the picture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.